मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा, शायद बहुत कम लोगों को जो मेरे कलीग्स हैं या मेरे जूनियर्स हैं, कि तनेजा साहब के साथ जो मेरा सौभाग्य था, फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट में एक्टिंग कोर्स 2 साल का हुआ करता था और एक ही साल में मैं वो कोर्स छोड़कर चला आया, जिसका मुझे आज तक मलाल है। शायद मैं अगर वो 2 साल पूरे करता तो मुझे जिंदगी का वो जो 1 साल का अरसा था, वो जो वक्फा था, उस वक्फे के अंदर मुझे इतना कुछ सीखने को मिलता जो मैंने शायद आने वाले 20 सालों में नहीं सीखा। तो तनेजा साहब, आई एम सॉरी in front of this small gathering that I did leave, but because of God's blessing and your good wishes, I had the opportunity to come to this industry that time through a contest called Filmfare United Producers Talent Contest, whereby Mr. Rajesh Khanna, myself and Mr. Subhash Ghai, जो बहुत कम लोगों को शायद यहाँ पता हो, वो भी एक्टर बनने आए थे और एक छोटा सा बच्चा था मास्टर सूरज, जो अल्टीमेटली सारिका के नाम से इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर आया था। So we came through that contest, and that was the reason I came, but I still missed that 1 year, which I could not spend more with you.
On behalf of Roshan Taneja Foundation, I have to say something. It's me. Today we are gathered here to give a diploma to the students who are passing out from this foundation. I'm very grateful to Rani for coming here, facing the case. We have been looking forward to meeting you for a long time, and you made it today. And we hope that I will be seeing you more often. Thank you.
Sir, just want to say, before I say something, I love you. And thank you for giving so much love to all of us, because we all are here today in this room because of all the love and for all that you have bestowed upon us. I think the most striking thing that I remember of Sir was when I joined the movies. I was quite scared. I don't know why I was scared to join the movies, but my mother was quite insistent that if a daughter looks pretty, she'll make her into a star. So with that thought, my mom took me to Sir and said that you have to get her trained. And I was really scared, and when I saw at Sir, I was like, oh my God, what a strict teacher I'm going to have. But I think the sweetest thing that Sir said, which I still remember, is that, see, he told my father that, Ram, I can't take a pill and give to your daughter and teach her acting. Acting has to come from within. So I think that's the most important thing that Sir had said that time, and I realized that acting is not really something that's easy or something that's just done. I think it takes a lot to be an actor. You have to feel a lot as an actor. You have to be yourself. You have to be the person that you are, and imbibe those qualities into your work. आई थिंक सर की यहाँ ट्रेनिंग लेना ही एक किस्म की हमारी खुशनसीबी है. आई थिंक इट वाज माय डेस्टिनी दैट ब्रॉट मी टू सर्स हाउस वेयर सर एक्सेप्टेड दैट ही वुड ट्रेन मी. सो आई थिंक आई एम वन ऑफ द लकी स्टूडेंट्स. But I always will regret the time I spent with sir, which I have promised myself that now I am going to.
कहाँ से कहाँ ये? आपने इनकी ब्लैक देखी? आपने वो क्या नाम अभिषेक के साथ फिल्म? अब उसमें कितना कॉन्ट्रास्ट है. I mean, she's absolutely marvelous.